Oba, I'm Jack the Greek, and I'd like to take this opportunity on this fantastic, beautiful sunny day, being Christmas Day in 2019, to wish all my followers and supporters a big thank you for your support in 2019. And let's not forget our Crossroad Barbecues family as well. A big Merry Christmas and thank you for your support this year. Let's not forget, we have a beautiful little girl who's been taking all the videos for me for the Jack the Greek YouTube channel and Facebook page. Her name is Anastasia, and let's just say a big thank you to her altogether for everything that she's done to support me and support Jack the Greek. Anastasia, Merry Christmas, love you very much, and thank you for all your help. And finally, together, through the camera, a big Merry Christmas to all our families out there, our supporters. We wish you all a fantastic day and a fabulous, even better and safer 2020. Opa, from Jack the Greek and Anastasia.